There are a good number of web scrapers in the market. Some are general web scrapers such as Octoparse and Scrapestorm. Others are specialized scrapers for special purposes like SEO and website testing. The presence of these tools does not, in any way, make web scraping an unrewarding task. In fact, as you will come to realize, as you continue reading this article, there is a lot of money to be made in web scraping. But first, what are the required skills for web scraping? What are the required skills for web scraping? If you have had a little idea about what web scraping is, you will know that it requires some forms of technical skills, except if you want to make use of already made web scrapers in the market. What are these skills? Computer programming skills. The number one skill required for developing web scrapers is computer programming. Web scrapers are computer programs, and written using computer programming languages. While you can potentially use any of the Turing-complete programming languages, Python, Node.js, Ruby, C/C++, and PHP are the popular languages for developing web scraping tools. Each of these languages has libraries that can help you speed up development and develop better scrapers. However, Python seems to be the favorite. It has an extensive and easy-to-use support for web scraping with a good number of libraries and frameworks available. Generally, you need to know how to use programming to programmatically retrieve web pages, parse their content, extract required data, and either uses them immediately or store them. That's what web scraping entails. With Python, you can use requests for sending HTTP requests and Beautifulsoup for parsing out the required data. Depending on the nature of websites in question, you might need a browser automation tool like Selenium. For a complete framework, Scrapy is a popular web scraping framework. Related. Scrapy versus Beautifulsoup versus Selenium for web scraping. Building a web crawler using Selenium and Proxies. How to scrape HTML from a website using JavaScript. Evading anti-scraping systems. It might interest you to know that websites do not like being scraped. Some dislike scraping because of the too many requests web scrapers send, which eventually adds up to their running cost without any benefit to them. Others fight web scraping because they paid for the data they publicly display, while others do it to protect the rights of their users in terms of the user-generated content. In fact, it is high time you know that most websites cherish their data and wouldn't hand them over to you easily. Some provide paid APIs to earn from the data. So, your web scraper will most likely get blocked if it does not incorporate techniques to evade detection as a web scraper. Evading anti-scraping systems is out of the scope of this article, but at the basic level, you will need to make use of proxies in order to hide your IP footprint, and then rotate IP addresses to avoid exceeding requests limit. You will also need to rotate headers and mimic popular browsers. For some websites, you will need to use CAPTCHA solvers.